This Logik washing machine gives you the features you need to get outstanding results after every wash. With a large 9kg capacity, this washer can handle your laundry loads with ease. The 1300 RPM spin speed is great for when you need your laundry dried quickly, removing more water so there's less time needed in the dryer or on the line. It also has an energy rating of A+++, meaning you can save on your bills whilst also looking after the environment. The LED display will help you choose the wash you want with its clear and modern design. Choose from 16 wash settings so you can wash your clothes in the best possible way.